There you go, mate.
Good, good, good.
I'll take this.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, mate.
Awesome. What are you calling it?
Either a long tail or a Spanish, mate. I'm taking my time on it. Heavy fish.
You want to keep fishing or concentrate on you?
On this fish, mate.
See if we get any jumping.
It's not a queenie.
Yeah, maybe the Spanish might jump. There you go.
There's a mate with him.
A little bit of colour. Nice flash. Woo! Good size.
Fish.
Good size.
You should have brought that esky.
Should have, could have, did have.
Yeah, it's a tuna. Longy, exactly what I called.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, it's a Big Mac.
Big Mac.
Yeah, yeah, I spat
And he spat it. Well, you got him to the boat. Good play. Two of them.
Ah, it's a golden trevally, is it? Don't put too much hurt on him.
Two of them.
Just let him come out with us.
Fishing Lucinda, this is how it's done, folks. Like to report in, first day fishing on the water, first soft plastic drop when we come out in the afternoon at an open wallfish.
You sound like Rex Hunt, mate.
That's how we do it out here. Bigger than I thought.
Dude, he's big.
Yeah.
Righto, get a couple of reels on it.
Oh,
Shark.
shark. Fuck. Oh, got him. Oh, shark's trying to get him.
Shark's probably got him, mate.
Got him. I think I'm bringing up ahead.
I think so. Watch the drop. Don't spool grab it.
There he is. Oh, he's huge.
That's big fucking mate. Jesus Christ. That's a big golden. Yeah, no, stop.
Get what he's yeah, monster golden. And that, folks.
I got no pliers.
Gloves.
No, you don't need gloves, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
There's no spines on him.
No, you're right. Not on this one.
So he's the biggest fish I've ever caught.
Nips.
Special mention to Angela Maracas, Peter Hulk, and Mark Ross from Southern California. This is how we do it up here in Queensland, guys.
Focus, man. We want to get him back in the water.
Jeez, I really thought he was sharked.
All right, up on your legs, mate. Yeah, I think he had he probably had one on him.
Well, there's no scratch on him.
Hold him. No, head down. That's it.
That's fucking. That was great to feel something good.
Righto, mate. Spike him away.
Throw him in. Welcome to Lucinda, guys. Fishing capital of.
great surface strike.
Good fish, bro. Good fish.
Yeah.
Good fish.
Nice. Oh, nice.
Good.
Yeah.
Want right out of the road, bro? That's right. I'll get it.
Delicious.
Oh, that's a PB. That's a PB spango. This is a PB spango, alright.
What a beast. Gorgeous colour. Oh, hang on. Oh, good.
So that's, I'm going to get a measure on this guy. He's going to go in the esky, but that's a 100% a PB spangled emperor for me. Beautiful colours in the nose. You can see that all here. All those nice blues, not all through him. And again, the riptide.
Does it again.
The 155 riptide. This lure, these lures are just the best swimming lures I've ever used out here, and prime example for a spango. That's small.
I'm going to quick him on the drop. Didn't want to lose him in the
Another grassy.
another small one. He took it on the drop, which was exciting. Oh, he's got stronger cut, like darker colours. Oh, look at the baby.
Still probably a table fish though. That's the thing.
Oh, like I said, North Queensland.
Coral trout, plastic doing the
Changing colour up.
Yeah.
How long
Very
before
nice.
he grows? About 50.
I don't know, probably another 5 years. I don't know how quick they grow.
"22 minutes, mate, we're in." I've still got my breath just. And
How's the arms?
yeah, they're getting tight. I have to switch between arms.
Had to happen sooner or later.
Okay, that's okay. That's 1 hour, 40 minutes and 15 seconds fight.
That's a 2 hour pump for Brendan. Oh mate. Look how far it's taken us away from the pier. We've gone a good probably 2 kilometres from the pier. What are we chasing today, Dad?
Anything that's got fins.
Anything that's got fish.